My name is Lawal David Senela, and today marks the end of the 5 days hands-on training program. Yeah, so I'm very glad as I learned a lot of skills, especially about informatics such as molecular docking and primary design. I'm very grateful to God for this success, and I say very big thank you to the organizers and everyone. So,
My name is Dr. Olafladelu Ashington. Thank you, Drosophila Training Center. I really enjoyed myself, and the hands-on experiment was awesome. I was able to learn a lot of things, and then I will be so glad to have chance to come around again for advanced classes. Thank you so much.
So, my name is Taiwo David, and I'm so grateful to Drosophila Research and Training Center for organizing this workshop. It's been a great experience for me. I've gotten to learn so much about the practical, hands-on practical skills of the things I've known in textbooks for years, and it is worthwhile. And I'm grateful to God for the opportunity as well, and also to the team lead and the team members. Thank you, are doing a great job. And molecular docking experience too is also something to build on for me, and the PCR, the HPLC, and several other skills. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm here to say thank you to the Drosophila Research and Training Center. My experience here has been worth the while. It's indeed awesome. It has ignited my interests to do more in the field of environmental toxicology, and if there is opportunity for further training, I am here again to learn. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Isaac, a fresh graduate of a 1-week hands-on training at JRTC. I'm very happy to be here today. The 1 week has been great for me. A lot of things I've only read about in textbooks, I was able to practice them by myself here, and I was also able to learn so many other things I had no idea about. So this 1 week has been exceptionally great, and it will be memorable, and going forward is going to be very important. It's something I'm going to hold with me forever. So thank you very much.
Hey everyone, my name is Deborah Ogudimo. I just completed the 1 week training in DRTC workshop, and I must say that it has really been impactful. It has been helpful. I now have practical knowledge about most of the things that I just know the theoretical aspects. So I want to say a very big thank you to the DRTC team. Thank you for setting this up, and thank you for the knowledge you've instilled in us. Thank you.
From theoretical knowledge to practical knowledge, thank you to the Drosophila Research Training Center. Oluwatanya Adeni is my name. I'm in Ibadan, trained medical laboratory scientist. Thank you for the opportunity provided. So, virtually all of the things I know about molecular biology has been practicalized, and then the theory has been brought to life in terms of hands-on practical. Thank you so much. Thank you for the hospitality. We look forward to more and more training like this. God bless you. Long live Professor Bolaji. Long live the Drosophila Research Training Center.
My name is Halimat Omoumi Olaniyan, and it has been an amazing time, getting to train this set and this cohort of participants. It's wonderful to see that from knowing a little or even nothing about Drosophila research and biomedical research, many of them have now acquired knowledge and skills that will be useful in moving them forward in their biomedical research journeys. So we say a big thank you to the team members, to the facilitators, and also to the participants for staying true to the end of this training. Thank you, Drosophila Research and Training Center. Bye.
Thank you, DRTC.